As you can see here, this website is full of ads and we want to remove them. Doing this in Opera is very simple. First, click on this little shield icon at the top right corner, which is called Privacy Protection. Then, click on the Settings icon. On the new page that opens, simply enable the option called Block Ads. If you want to exclude certain websites from ad blocking, just click on Manage Exceptions or Manage Lists. From here, you can add any website where you don't want the ad blocker to work. Now let's go back to our website and refresh the page. And as you can see, all the ads have been successfully removed.